Hi friends, welcome to In 5 Minutes. Today we will be doing video on I/O management, and this time our concern is I/O device read-write. Another way of saying the way I/O device can access. Why this is a major thing? Till now we have understood how I/O port works and how I/O happens, but now more important is how they actually work. We were talking about two major techniques which we generally use. The first one is called polling, and the second one is called interruption. Each of the technique has its own advantages and has own limitations. If we talk about the first technique, polling, this is most simple technique. In this technique, when we want to read or write, CPU would be contacted and then CPU would communicate with the device controller, and then active wait would be seen till after CPU is requested for reading writing, it would communicate with the device controller, and then active wait would be seen till the command or the operation is not over. So in this thing, the entire system would be actively waiting for getting data. This involves CPU as well as the disk controller or the device controller. Good thing about this is it is simple and easy, but bad thing is it consumes good amount of resources, and due to this particular factor of resource consumption, this can also cause battery life. So negative is it consumes resources because of the active wait. Another technique on that we have is called interruption. In this, a device would register interrupt service routine with CPU. When needed, device will run interrupt, or rather device will interrupt CPU. CPU will shift itself to ISR, that is interrupt service routine mode. Then CPU will perform operation and access would be granted. This does save resources, but also has a negative side. Negative is it makes overall process slow due to ISR, as CPU needs to shift from a normal to ISR serving mode. Those are two basic techniques on which we are talking about. Polling, where for a particular thing you will be continuously monitoring register status. Once available, you will read and work. Simple, but it consumes resources. Interrupt, whenever data is ready, you want to write or a status is changed, you will be simply running ISR, or rather raising ISR. CPU will understand ISR and do the necessary job. This saves resources, but it reduces speed of communication because of the CPU shifting from a normal mode to ISR serving mode again and again. That's it. Thanks for watching this video.